Okay, so here we go with the coding part, and I already prepared some lines of code. We have two tuples, as you can see, and x is just an integer. So here we run x and s, and yeah, we have to run this cell first. Now it's defined and we get true because 2 is inside of tuple s. If we run s in t, we get false, of course, because there's no 2 inside this tuple. And maybe it's also interesting to see that s is really a tuple, and now I will pass just parentheses to this function, and it still says tuple. So you see it's really an empty tuple. Or let's say t1 is 1 comma. So the type of t1 is still tuple. So you see, these are many different ways to create tuples. You can use parentheses or not, and you can see that we can also put different data types inside one tuple. It's still a tuple, it still works. Yeah. So let's see some more methods and some other things you can do with tuples. First of all, and very importantly, I want to show you this case. If we want to reassign the first position in tuple s, we get an error. What does it say? Tuple object does not support item assignment. So that's because tuples are immutable. You can't reassign a value in a tuple. If we want to update tuple s, we have to create a new tuple. So s1 is 4, 2, 3. That's not the best way to do it, but it works. We will see more advanced ways later using unpacking and packing. Yeah. Okay, let's say our tuple u is s plus t. That was the concatenation, and let's output the result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that's correct. We put together those two tuples and we get a new tuple. Yeah. So this is tuple concatenation. Length works also. And all the other functions, you can try them out by yourself. So now we go back to the theory.